Hey everyone, this is Valerie Meekum. Let me introduce you to my website. It is called Chocolate Chip Paleo. It is an affiliate business where I use blogs and product review to bring viewers to the affiliate businesses that I use. On my homepage that I have on the screen, 2 out of the 3 campaigns that I had through Google Ads, this was a landing page. I did have one on my dessert page, but I did not get as great of response to that campaign. On my homepage, I have an introduction to the paleo diet. I have access to my recipe pages and a quick introduction about myself. Each one of these have links that will take you to my other pages. For instance, About Me will send you to the About page, which will have more information about my story, information about paleo diet, and then some steps and guides for the paleo diet. In the recipes, if you clicked any one of these sections, you could get the recipes for them. For example, if I went to dessert, you could find a quick introduction about sugar and information saying that I have more recipes coming. This is a work in progress. And then recipes. So when viewers come and they see the products that I have for the recipe, they can click on the ingredients, which will take them to my favorites page, which has the affiliate links. For instance, at the beginning here, I give a statement that tells viewers that when they click on these products, they will be sent to the affiliate link. As you scroll down, you can find the chocolate chips that we were talking about earlier. One of the things that I want to improve on is that you get a direct link to that product. As you noticed, I had to scroll down. Once you get to the product, though, you can either click on the product and it will take you to the affiliate link, which this one is Amazon, or you could go to a product review, which is in my blogs. And then this is another thing I want to work on, that it goes straight to the link. My blog is Chocolate Oh So Good, talks about the history of chocolate. I even have links that go to where my sources are to give my website credibility. That one's for the history.com webpage. More information and more links to other websites. And then product review. Again, they can click on the picture or the product, and it'll send them back to my favorites so that they can go straight to my affiliate. My recipes also cover all of the recipes that I currently have links to the recipes. Hopefully I have created a website that is easy to get around, and it's a good experience for my viewers. So far, I have only had a few people click on my affiliate businesses. No sales, though. I'm hoping that will be coming soon. All right, well, that's all. I'm out of time. Thank you.